And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. About the project. The shear line radius turning attachment and my precision setting tool for such. You've seen this drawing, right? You saw this there. This is a three-dimensionality of something you may have seen one of the guys on Mythbusters draw on the blue paper with the metallic white pencil. Okay, this is going to go in the vise about up to there, and you see this, that's going to get hogged away with the mill so that it slips on here. Okay, then you see this slot going to go all the way down enough so that when the micrometer head comes in, that's the center line of the hole, right? And the slot, that comes in there.
Don't swing so much that it hangs in one spot.
Okay, now, some basic education. There are two different types of ball or radius turning. There's the C-frame, a big C-frame with a smaller C-frame that mounts the tool and you swing it. And then there's the cantilevered tool post. And you, okay. Now, I figured with this, I'd be able to get one setting attachment. I knew I could get the socket adjust made. Since they're called ball and socket joints, this is cutting the socket. Okay? Because balls are sockets. Boom! Poppy saith. Okay, I'm back. I knew I could get one socket turning precision set out of this piece of aluminum and maybe get a ball setter, right? And I start thinking this 0 to 2 inch adjust for socket. You turn the attachment over and you're going from 3 to 2 inch balls. One piece of aluminum. So I measured from here to there, right? And if I shave this from a 1/4 inch down to 3/16 and move everything, and of course this one here is going to be 3/16 instead of a 1/4, I could just, if I saw real good, lop this baby off. Now, both these ends, they get nothing. Set screws go through there. And I don't have the meat to sacrifice on this bologna slice. Okay, after I cut, I machined, then I cut this off. And the hole for the micrometer head goes in then. Now, these two in one setup. Yeah. As for these two set screw holes here, that's secondary operation. So I can get a 0 to 2 inch socket adjuster, a 3 to 1 inch ball adjuster out of one piece. And this is just enough longer that I can get the 2 inch to 3 inch socket and the 2 inch to 0 ball. You can beat skill, but you cannot beat luck. Luck that I can get the two parts out of this and then make 4 different tools. Skill is going to be, can I actually pull this baby off? Tune in later for details. I record out in the shop tonight.